When you see this on this.
Koh Phi Phi is definitely a party island.
So, I have been back from Thailand for 10 days, and the jet lag thing is still weird. I had this conversation on day 3 or 4 of being back. I was talking with my friend Sandra, and she said, well, you do realize that for every hour time difference, it takes a day to recover. That's 13 days. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, there's no way it's going to take me 13 days. I was awake at 3:30 this morning. I am meeting with my friend Tim Smith at Microsoft. So first of all, I didn't even know that there was a Microsoft building in Nashville because I don't know anything. But now I'm standing here with my buddy Tim Smith. There's Tim. Hi, Tim. And he's showing me a Surface Hub. I'm a little geek out right now.
Why is that not?
Oh, can you look at my channel on the Surface Hub?
Yeah.
Skip Stokes. Just right there, YouTube/Skip Stokes. I'm gonna watch myself on a big screen. That's kind of narcissistic. Here I am. That's so funny. And there I am. Look at that. I'm somebody now. I wouldn't watch that one. I would watch that. It's a good one.
When you see this on this.
Koh Phi Phi is definitely a party island. Right there on that wall
Well, there's
on the other
mountains.
side
Oh yeah, it's gorgeous.
is the main road.
Oh yeah, because you've been there.
Markets.
Of course you have.
Um,
So that was fun. Not only did I get to see myself on a big screen in a conference room. That was so weird. Had a great conversation with my friend Tim. Tim is businessman. He is brainiac. Okay, I didn't know until this morning that Microsoft was in Nashville. I'm clueless about this stuff. I made the decision a while back to change my name on social media to Skip Stokes. And the reason for doing that was actually important to me. Skip is a name that I was given as a nickname from really close friends of mine in my hometown. People that I walked through some pretty interesting things with. And what I realized recently was that they called me Skip, and they embraced me warts and all. Any problems, any conflicts, anything that went on, these were the people that had me in their grasps all the time. And even through my kind of change of perspectives and things over the years, maybe it's differences in opinion on religion or politics or all of that, because I have certainly ridden the roller coaster of all of those things. This group of friends have always embraced me, no matter what. And I went off the deep end for a little while, I'll admit it. And they refused to let me go. And I think that's the kind of person I want to be. I want to be somebody who accepts anyone for who they are, where they are, and what they're doing, and see the good that is in them. And I think that I like myself better as Skip.